New year, new makeup. So let's try the Milani Keep It Full Glossy Plumping Balm together. All right, so this one I have here is in 110 and it's Ballet. I don't know if you guys gonna be able to see that, but yeah. So that is it. Let's open it together. It's like brand new, spanking new, and we're gonna try this together. So let's see what it looks like together. So it's a plumping balm, so I'm guessing it's gonna be having that tingling feeling. Uh, it has a twist mechanism, and it goes up. So I'm gonna try it without a liner first, and then we can try put on a liner and juice it up. So this is it. All right, so I'm not getting a lot of color with this. It looks just like a regular lip balm. Look, a hint of color. I'm seeing a hint of color now that I'm applying a little bit more, but it's more like a balm balm. Very balmy, very nice, smooth on the lips. I'm gonna wait a little because I'm not feeling any tingling right now and see if it has any tingling sensation. All right, so this is the Milani Keep It Full Glossy Plumping Balm with the one size coin collector liner around it. Not bad. You can see the little hints of pink from the lip balm. I am not feeling much of a plumping sensation. It feels cooling, but not like irritating. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. It's probably just under a minute or two that I have it on. But you tell me, do you see any difference with the lips?